world of DIYA. This is Techno Central, your weekly dose of technology from around the world. I, DIYA, will be your host for the show. Now joining us live is our DIYA mentor.
Pet Cubes by 2. Love your pet and want to treat them even when you're not home? The school gadget for all pet owners. Keep an eye on your pet and treat them when you are not at home. This gadget has a camera and a snack dispenser that you can handle from your smartphone. It has two-way audio connectivity and can be used with Wi-Fi to connect to your phone.
Growing plants at home can be a tough task, but with this new age technology, Cell Garden is a smart plant growing equipment that helps you grow and consume fresh superfoods. It identifies the inserted seed pod and adjusts water and lighting accordingly. Light is also stimulated for better growth with a special LED lighting. Some simple foods you can grow are sprouts and microgreens.
On that note, signing off is DIYA from DIYA, and we are on a mission to equip students with futuristic technologies. If this is up your alley, then consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notified by Techno Central every week. And if you found this video informative, do like, share and comment.